All right, Ryan Breton has had a day, as have a lot of you as well.
Right.
The biggest thing I have in my mind is that we have a lot to go.
We do.
Okay.
The pace of the snow during the day today wasn't that heavy. Certainly cold, all the snow that we had accumulated, but the biggest burst is probably coming through over the next few hours.
Okay.
So that will add on to what's already out there. Take a live look. This is Portland right now. It's 26, and that coastal front we talked about last night hung just offshore. It never made it into Portland, Brunswick, Bath, but eastern parts of the mid-coast, you did see a change over to rain today, but it will change back to snow tonight. Gorham and Porter at 7 inches, New Gloucester at 5, Lewiston around 5, and that's an outdated report by a couple hours in Portland. Looking at what's coming, this is on top of what's already on the ground. I think there's a good chance 4 or 5 inches falls near the coastline. This will be dependent on how much of the heavy snow bands make it into southern Maine, and across the north it's just another inch or two. Note down east, where you've just seen rain right on the coast, you will get a couple of inches that accumulate right down to the coast tonight. You can see that rain snow line sitting just offshore, but there is some heavier banding back here in southern New Hampshire, and that's what's going to come up this way over the next few hours. So if you do have any reason to travel tonight, just know that the conditions may get a little bit worse before they get better. We have mostly snow now falling on the southern Maine coast. A few reports of sleet around Wells and Kennebunk. That was earlier. Now it's just back to snow. Steady snow through a lot of central Maine, and actually the heaviest band right now is as far away from the storm as it could be up here in the mountains. We've got inch-per-hour snowfall rates falling there. Still some rain around Rockland and Owl's Head, but that rain snow line will collapse tonight as it will over down east. So it's wet here, but it's snowy around Bangor and Brewer at the moment. 24 in Bangor, 26 in Portland. It's 36 in Rockland, but that's down. And that's a sign of things to come. As the storm system travels into the Gulf of Maine, the wind direction will change and colder air will come south. You'll see that here hour by hour. 8 o'clock tonight, I think this is when we have the potential for some 1 inch per hour snows, mainly from Lewiston south through Wiscasset, most of Cumberland and York counties too. That then shifts through the mid-coast by 10 o'clock. I think you're snowing or changing to snow in Rockland by 10. Still rain right on the down east coast, but even there you're going to change over. The snow is going to be lighter across the north during this time. It's really heaviest in southern and mid-coast Maine. By midnight, it starts to taper off near the New Hampshire border. It ends between midnight and about 2 a.m. in most of southern and central Maine. Still snowing down east, but even there by tomorrow morning, this is out of here. Will be cold though, so there are likely some slick spots that linger for tomorrow morning's commute. And then we'll have sunshine tomorrow. It's just a chilly day, low to mid 30s for highs, 20s across the north, but no weather concerns that will be out there during the day tomorrow. Now on Thursday, we have a cold front that comes in, but this isn't just any ordinary cold front. It's what we call an Arctic front because it will spark off snow showers and squalls and usher in much colder air for the end of the week. So be aware that Thursday afternoon, there could be a few snow showers and squalls that put down a coating of snow, not just up in the mountains, but even down to the coastline. And then it's cold after that front. Seas tomorrow 4 to 6 feet with a north wind 15 to 25 knots becoming northwest. Sun is back tomorrow, but do be careful if you have to be out between now and about midnight. It's going to be tricky getting around with some of the heavier snow. Snow showers Thursday afternoon, frigid on Friday, some flurries on Saturday, but I think we miss a storm to our south, and then another shot of cold air early next week. That's 2 days. Highs in the 20s on that 7 day.
All right, we'll layer up.
Yep.
Ryan, thanks so much.